Today we're making an easy summer dessert.
Hey y'all, are you looking for an easy dessert where you don't have to heat up your kitchen? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a 5-ingredient dessert that's delicious and you don't even have to cut on the stove. So y'all come on and let's get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a half a cup of water, and we're going to heat this up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You're wanting to get it hot enough where it will dissolve Jell-O. Okay, we've got our water heated, and we're going to be using this 0.3 orange Jell-O. This one is sugar-free, but you don't have to use sugar-free. This is just what I've got, so I'm going to use it. But we're going to go ahead and open our Jell-O up and get it in this hot water. And let it be dissolving. Give it a good mix. Now you can use any flavor. You could even do this dessert and use red Jell-O with strawberries. You could use blue and do blueberries or blackberries. But today we're doing the orange. So we got that dissolving. And then we're going to be using these diced peaches. We have 3 of them. I may not use them all. But now we're going to work on our cream cheese. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get our 1 block of cream cheese in there. And I am going to make sure I get it all off. We don't want to waste none. And now you will want this to be room temperature. See how easy that is to work with? So now I'm just going to sort of start blending that cream cheese. Now if you was using sugar-free Cool Whip, you could sort of say this is sort of like a keto dessert. Okay, now that we've worked our cream cheese a little bit, I'm going to go ahead, and this is cooled down a good bit. I'm going to go ahead and add my orange Jell-O in. This one right here is going to remind you of the creamsicles, the orange creamsicles we used to have. Especially like in little ice cream stands, they used to sell them. So we're just going to have to work with this cream cheese till we get it all blended in. Get it off of here, and we're going to use this thing and see how it works. Now you could use a whisk, but I believe the cream cheese would get stuck in your whisk. So we're just going to use this and see how good we can get with this to start with. Now that takes a good few minutes, but it will just blend in. Just keep mixing. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open up one of these peaches. I'm going to drain the juice. So whatever kind of fruit you're using, if you're using fresh fruit, would be the best. But this is what I've got that favors orange, so this is what I'm going to use. This is a good serving size. We're just going to dump our peaches in there. I'm actually going to put 2 of the little cups of peaches. If you had real peaches, oh, this would be so good. If you had some of them fresh peaches from an orchard. So this dessert right here might be a good dessert to do when the peaches start coming in. It's probably time for them right now. We're just going to get those peaches mixed in there.
And now we're going to take our Cool Whip, and this one is 8 ounces, and I'm going to add the whole container. And now we're just going to fold that in. Now you want to try to be gentle with it and just fold it real easy. You don't want to deflate your Cool Whip, whip topping, whatever you call it. So just sort of fold it until you get it blended. You want to get most of the Cool Whip where it turns to orange. Or that's what I like. Okay, that's pretty much blended right there. Y'all look at that. That's gonna be good. Get y'all over here where y'all can see it. Different ways you can put this. Today I'm going to put 2 in these cute little dessert dishes, and then the rest of it I'll put in a container. But we're just going to label us some of this right into the dish. You can see your little peaches in there. So if you was making this with strawberry Jell-O and strawberries cut up, that would be good. But I think this orange creamsicle, well, that's what I'm calling it. And these peaches are going to be good also. One more little scoop in this one. And then we're going to open up these peaches. This last little can. Going to drain the juice off of those. And I'm just going to take a couple of these little peaches and put right on the top. And we're going to add a little bit more Cool Whip right to the top. So Travis is going to be surprised that he gets a dessert this afternoon. It's hot outside, y'all. It's been almost like up in the hundreds the first part of July. So this dessert right here would make a great little dessert because it's so hot outside. You don't even have to turn on the stove, and y'all just look at that. Oh, it's going to be good. Okay, I'm going to save those for us. So I can't eat it without, I got to wait on him, but I'm going to taste test it for you. I'm just going to put a little bit in one of these little peach cups. Gonna put a little bit of the cream on it. And y'all, let's taste it. Look at that. Oh goodness, y'all, that is so good. Y'all need to give this a try. Mm-hmm. So we're going to take this and put it in a container and refrigerate it. I believe the texture will change a little the longer you... We're actually just going to use this bowl right here the Cool Whip was in. See if we can get it all out of here. Now y'all, this right here is going to be a great little cool treat to have on these hot summer days. We're going to refrigerate that. We're going to eat these. And I think that is a simple, easy recipe for this hot weather. Today we're making an easy 5-ingredient dreamsicle dessert. And like always, thanks for watching.